Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Vietnam, in the capital, which is known as Ho Chi Minh to some people or Saigon to other people, but that's a whole different story. Today we're here at a night market and we're going to try the local food. The night market's called Ben Nghe. Hopefully I've pronounced that correctly. But we're going to see how cheap the food is, we're going to try some local Vietnamese food and let you know what we think about it. So let's head into the market. Some cool street art, some drinks. One dish that's really popular in Vietnam are spring rolls. They're quite similar to how I guess we'd get them back home. You can either get them deep fried or fresh. We're at a stall right now called Fresh Spring Rolls. What are we going to order?
We're going to order the combination spring rolls, which is 1 chicken spring roll, 1 beef and 2 shrimp.
And how much are they?
They are 95k and I have no idea how much that is in UK money. Louise?
Louise?
It's about £3, just under £3.30.
So this market, it appears, is really touristy and expensive. I feel like on the street you could get it so much cheaper than that. But we're here now and yeah, we'll try them, see how they are, see if they're worth the money. That's just got the spring rolls and they look really nice, I'll show you. Who wants to try one first?
We're leaving tomorrow, we're going to Cambodia.
Right, so I'm trying them. Try them?
Sorry?
I'm trying the spring rolls, I think these are the shrimp ones. We've got shrimp, noodles, veggies in them, got a peanut sauce.
Okay.
They're really good. I don't know if it's the peanut sauce that's making them really nice, but they're lovely, really good. Another really popular dish in Vietnam is called a Banh Mi. It's basically a baguette, but it's pimped up a bit, and I guess with an Asian twist. So it's usually meat, veggies, a chili sauce, some pate. They actually got it from the French influence when the French colonised over here for a bit. And yeah, it's really nice. So I've just ordered one of them. It costs 55,000 dong, which is a lot more expensive than you would find on the street. You can get them for literally like 30,000 dong in the street, but hopefully this one's nice. I'll do a taste test in a minute. What? This is what the banh mi looks like. Pork, veggies, chili sauce on a French baguette basically. How does it taste? Like a baguette? Do you want to describe it?
It's nice.
What?
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice.
You want to try that?
Probably not the nicest one we've had on the trip, but it's nice enough.
So we're about to get our third dish, and this one is called Bun Thịt Nướng. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And it is dry noodles with grilled meat, veggies and spring rolls as well. So we're very excited to try this one because all of our time in Vietnam we've actually not tried this dish. So let's find out what it's like.
This is what it looks like. This is the spring roll, the meat, the noodles. Looks like we've got a chili and garlic sauce, lots of veg. On the chopsticks, I'm just going to take a bit of everything I think and try it. price earlier, but that meal costs 90,000 Vietnamese dong, which is about £3. So again, I mean that's pretty good for a whole meal. You'd pay that for one coffee back home in Costa or Starbucks, wouldn't you? This is the spring roll. What's on the spring roll?
I think it's pork. It's definitely pork, but it's got other things in it as well, like veggies. I don't think these ones have noodles in them though, which is rare. They usually have noodles in them. So, dip in the chili sauce. Let's give it a try. Oh. That's so good.
Do you not think it tastes like a sausage roll back home?
I was going to say that, it does look like a sausage roll. It looks like one as well.
Basically a Greg's.
Greg's sausage roll. Fourth dish we're going to try is called Ban Giao Tren Thong. In English that is a traditional pancake. You basically have rice paper, you fry it and you put meat inside of it. The one we're going to try is the traditional one, so it's got pork, shrimp, veggies, I think there's maybe noodles in it. And they deep fry the pancake, they fold it in half. They sometimes give you it with rice paper to roll it into a spring roll. So we'll see if these ones do. The stand that we're getting it from, they charge 105,000 Vietnamese dong, which is just over £3. But I think it will be a big enough portion for like a main meal. But we'll see how it is.
What's it called again? Ban Giao Truan Thong?
Yes! Yay! Thank you!
Thank you so much!
This Vietnamese pancake is huge. Look at it next to my hand, it's like double the size of my hand. So there's no noodles, there's only bean sprouts, veggies, and I'm not really sure what the beans are. It's at the end of the bean sprout. From Danny's face, I don't think she thinks it's very appetising. But we'll give it a try. Taste test time. I've just ripped off some of the pancake. I'm not really sure how you're meant to eat it. Previously we've been given it with rice paper and we've rolled it up, but we've not been given that this time. I said rice, didn't I?
It's nice. It's really nice.
Taste the coconut.
There's nut in it. I didn't know what it was.
You know, those green things are nuts.
Yeah, there's like wee green seeds. We can taste coconut. Maybe they use coconut oil to fry it, to be fair.
Coconuts have seeds.
No, maybe the one in the taste maybe came from frying it in coconut oil. Who knows, but it's actually really good. You definitely need to try this if you come to Vietnam.
Okay, so we're going to get our fifth dish now. We're going to get some pho. It's spelled like pho, but it's pronounced pho. It's made with like a broth and noodles mixed with meat and veg and chilies. So we're going to try the chicken one just now.
This is what it looks like. This is the chicken pho. You can see the noodle soup, and then there's loads of different herbs. This is Vietnamese coriander. I think this is Thai holy basil. Smells so good. Or maybe lemon basil, which is a thing in Vietnam. And then I don't smell of anything. I think this is chili. You can smell the basil.
That smells a wee bit. Put your nose right to it.
What's that?
Coriander.
Can you smell the coriander?
It's not as strong as the market.
Yeah, it's so strong. Can you smell it?
No, I can't smell it. Must all be good stuff. I I can smell the there. I can smell the bag. That leaves there. That leaves. Big bit of chicken.
How's it taste?
Actually, tastes nice. Very fragrant. I think it's, well, we know for Christmas has it's cinnamon, sesame, shallots. I think that was it. Ginger. Really good. Although I would say, I mean, very controversial, but I would say ramen's nicer, personally. How is that?
Very good.
You like it? That's us back home now from the market. Apologies if the clips don't have the best sound quality because there was a live band playing the whole time, which was lovely but not so good for my video. I don't think I mentioned the price of the pho, the last meal we got. So that was 90,000 dong, which is around £3 UK money. So I thought I would just summarise the prices of everything and the total that we spent, just to show you what you can get for your money over here. I'll be talking in UK money as well as Vietnamese dong. I'll do the currency conversion. So our first meal was the spring rolls, so they were 95,000 dong, which is about £3. The second meal was the Banh Mi, which was the baguette, and that was 55,000 dong, which is about £1.83. The third meal was the dry noodles with the meat and the spring roll, and again that was 90,000 dong, which is about £3. The fourth meal was the traditional Vietnamese pancakes, which were 105,000 dong, which translates to about £3.50 UK money. And the fifth meal, the pho, the noodle soup, was 90,000 dong, which is about £3 UK money. So the total that we spent was £14.50, but we basically got 5 main meals for that. So I guess if you compare back in the UK, basically eating out these days, one meal would probably cost you that at a lot of restaurants. So yeah, I think we did pretty well. You can get Vietnamese food so much cheaper on the street. We do know that that market was a bit of a tourist hotspot, but it gives you a flavour for the different types of food that you can get over here, and I guess the maximum price you're going to pay for them, which I think is what we experienced tonight, like based on the street food value. But yeah, that was everything we tried. Hopefully you liked this video, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you, bye.